Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 306 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customers FFR Daytona Coupe. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we got the 306 Ford here, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, new balancer, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filters installed, oil pressure extension, proper Canton Racing oil pan for the Daytona Coupe, real important, oil stick and tubes installed, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, Cobra valve covers with the matching air cleaner, aluminum cylinder heads are on there. We have the distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket installed, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups, QuickTime bell housings installed, proper alignment ring for the customer's T5 transmission, clutches installed and aligned, throwout bearing, clutch fork, high torque mini starter installed. All the wire markers are on there, the red ignition wires, Russell PCV ventilation line, chrome fuel line up to the carburetor, electric choke wire, 140 amp one wire hookup alternator, heavy duty 8 rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, 45 degree thermostat housing, thermostats installed. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature. Engine will be completely dialed in, drop-in ready, all set. So there you have it, our 306 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey engine for the FFR Daytona Coupe. Thanks for watching.